Dad! 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 I buried all the puppies and I watered them!
Wait, that conference, I know the voice judges is a bad idea, but I think you just went up that.
This is improv. Anything can happen.
Okay.
Do it.
Honestly, I'd much rather see this character than the voice.
Okay, all right.
We need to see the evolution.
Oh.
But nothing's happening.
Yeah, nothing's gonna happen. I mean, not
Dad,
for them.
you put like a plant in the ground and you water it and it grows.
Yeah. Plants.
Sometimes you don't have seeds. I don't have any puppy seeds.
Hey, Mr. Taylor, Timmy.
Hey.
I'm just going around the neighborhood. You guys see Stevie? Stevie?
No.
My precious
Jake,
little fur ball.
You see?
Love of my life. Best little thing that ever happened to me in the business.
No, we just got this new mulched area here.
Oh, you planting? Oh, what you planting? Are you planting?
Not nothing yet.
You got benches growing? Got benches growing?
No.
You're gonna do your own thing. I know how you like to make a salad.
I love salads.
You love salad.
That's some big cabbages.
I
Just
didn't,
all right
I
here.
didn't actually label them, so I'm not sure which one's which.
Yeah, we I'll know by the leaves. Shut up.
Okay.
Hey.
Listen. Just I gotta go down the block. There's so many people to be.
Oh, keep looking. Eyes open.
Just let me know. See, I got the phone number on there. You can text, email. I got my
I will
fax.
come down and bring it to you.
All right.
You don't even have to come back again.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Adios.
All right. Here's Stevie. Here's Stevie. Come on, boy. Come on, my good little boy, pretty little prince. Stevie.
I am feeling all sorts of emotions right now. I'm upset. I'm scared now. I'm sad. I'm actually real sad. How many fucking dogs did you bury? Seriously, did you count them?
I'm gonna tell Mom.
Well, I know you didn't label them, but tell me you counted them, you dumb little shit.
Bingo, where are you? Bingo!
Mrs. Marshall. Yes. Hey, how are you, ladies?
Mrs. Marshall, hi.
Hey, I'm looking for
Go-
Bingo.
Bingo? Oh, yeah, you're here, little wee dog.
Yeah, it's my emotional support dog.
If you tell me that wiener dog is twice. No, just one? That's sick. You buried it up like a hole? You buried it like a hole?
I'll go this way, Bingo.
You're sick.
Bingo.
Okay, that was easy. I'll just ignore them long enough, they'll just go away. Seriously, how many did you bury? You can stop watering. Now you're just wasting resources and running a damn bill up. All right? Nothing is going to grow here. Now the neighbors are laughing at us. Oh shit!
It's Rosie!
It's not dog twins? Wait, no! They're actually just puppies.
Look how big they are! It worked, Dad!
You're onto something.
He loves me, Dad!
He does love you. Look at Have fun, son.
See you again.